Hey, I'm Brianna Slade, and you're about to see the most flexible girl ever. Your description is divine.
Gotta introduce me. Oh. I'm Ashley Lawless. I'm very flexible, as you can see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is awesome right here. A little cold today, so I had to cover up. Ooh! Watch this. Ooh, you wanna see something cool? I'm gonna show you something cool. Look at this. Oh. Oh snap. Oh snap. Okay. This is some cool cheers right here. Whoa, whoa. Hold on. We need some coordination right here. Peekaboo! Come here, hit my foot. It hurts. Kiss it. Mwah! I have a bellyache today too. It's all cool and junk. Oh, I think I'm gonna take a rest. Oh, don't press that. Don't press that. Oh yeah. Hello. These are my feet and these are my hands. This is so cool. Watch this. Ashley, pull your legs up. Look at this booty. Oh, this is cool. Really cool now. I bet I'm the most flexible girl ever. Watch this. Again, here we go. One more time. Spread the legs. Whoa!